Hi, I'm Jamaine, aka Durriwiyn, and I'm from the Biripi-Worimi tribe down in Torres, New South Wales. I study the Bachelor of Arts. I major in popular music and technology and minor in communications and film and television. Some of the best parts of studying at UQ, especially the artistry unit, is I love the social life there. I've made a lot of friends. The Guri team that competed in the nationals, Indigenous nationals, I competed for the past 3 years and we won once, come third and then come second. So that's pretty good. I also love a lot of the assistance that I've had, won scholarships, also mentoring, tutoring, just a space to go when I'm feeling a bit uncomfortable being on campus, just somewhere where I can feel safe. Hopefully in the next couple of years I progress with my music production and also my artistry. I want to release more music, hopefully an EP and then another music video.